Data is getting expensive these days, but what if I told you there's a cheaper platform to buy affordable data bundles on MTN, AirtelTigo, Telecel, or any other supportive networks without paying the normal network prices? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy affordable data bundles on your phone, laptop, or PC. And the interesting part is that it is not only for your personal usage. You can use this as your side hustle to get profit from selling affordable data bundles. So watch this video to the end because it will show you how to save money and potentially make money too. Let's go straight into it. Alright, so once you open the website, this is the homepage you are going to see. One thing I like about this platform is that it doesn't only offer data bundles. You can also use it for airtime top-ups, TV subscriptions, electricity payment, wire checkout purchases, and other digital services as well. So it's basically an all-in-one digital platform. For this tutorial, we are focusing on affordable data bundles. I'm using a PC so you can clearly see everything on screen, but the exact same process works perfectly on mobile phones too. The next thing you want to do is to select the network you want. For this tutorial, I'll be using MTN. If you are using AirtelTigo or any supported network, you can still follow the same process. So simply click on your preferred network to continue. After selecting your network, you'll be taken to this page. Here, you will see different data bundle packages available. Depending on your budget and data needs, you can select whichever package works best for you. For this tutorial, I'll be selecting the 2GB package. So simply click on the package you want. Once you select your bundle, you will notice a field where you are required to enter the beneficiary number. The beneficiary number is simply the phone number that will receive the data bundle. Carefully enter the correct number because this is where the data will be sent. One thing you need to note is that make sure the recipient does not owe any airtime. If the recipient's number has an airtime debt on it, the bundle might not be delivered successfully. So before proceeding, make sure the recipient's number does not owe any airtime debt. After entering the number, double check it and continue to the next step. Now, you'll be taken to the order review page. This page shows all the details of your order including the selected network, the data package, the beneficiary number, and the total amount you'll be paying. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Make sure the phone number is correct because you don't want the bundle going to the wrong person. Once everything looks good, click on Place Order to continue. After placing the order, you'll be redirected to the payment page. Here, you will enter the mobile money number you'll be using for payment. In this tutorial, I'll be using MTN mobile money because I'm an MTN user. So, I will enter my MTN mobile money number and proceed. Once you continue, you will receive a mobile money prompt on your phone. Simply enter your PIN to authorize the transaction. After entering your PIN, your payment will begin processing. Once payment is successful, your order will start processing. In many cases, the data bundle arrives within a few minutes. However, depending on network traffic and system activity, delivery can sometimes take a little longer. So if your bundle doesn't arrive immediately, don't panic. Just give it some time. Most successful orders are delivered after processing is completed, and considering how affordable these bundles are compared to normal network prices, the short wait is usually worth it. Now, let me show you how some people are turning this into a side hustle. A lot of people advertise affordable data bundles using simple graphics and promotional posts. Many of these marketers use platforms such as WhatsApp status, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest to attract customers. The idea is simple. Someone needs data. You help them buy an affordable data bundle and earn something small on it. For example, if the data bundles cost less on the platform, you can add a little charges on it before selling it to them. Over time, this small profit can add up. This can be a useful side hustle for students, workers, and anyone who wants to make money online. And that's how to get affordable data bundles on this particular platform. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. I'm Erasmus the Model. Thanks for watching. Always remember, we are making the impossible possible. See you all in my next video. Bye-bye.
Camera. Yeah. Good morning to my haters, just a greet ya. This world is tricky with no competition. They are lane and they my zone, bro. Why they envy man, brethren? I fit to kill for a better life. If they be and they be just try to listen. Changing your religion, no go make you get your vision, ambition. RIP haters, that's my intention. Consign yo, fuck all your ratings.